Hey you guys, it's Allison from Vumbaya. I'm your beauty expert for all things beauty. Okay, you might be wondering, where am I right now? Well, I'm actually in front of the Dubrovnik airport. Where's Dubrovnik, you ask? It's in Croatia. I was actually here, I was in Montenegro for a destination wedding, and I usually do destination weddings for makeup. I do makeup for them, but this one was for my best friend, and so I got to do her makeup and her hair, and it was just absolutely beautiful. So if you don't know where Montenegro is, it's its own country, and you should look it up. You've got to go. All that to say, I am coming home. Now, did I use sunscreen? Well, I stayed in the shade. I tried not to get too much sun, but I do appreciate sun, and I think we all need sun. However, when I come back from vacation, I want to look bronzed. Who does not want to look bronzed after a vacation? Or, for that matter, anytime, okay? When you bronze your skin, it just makes you look youthful. And who doesn't want that? And it just gives you that healthy glow. It just really, when you spend time in the sun in general, doesn't everyone have like a better just feeling about themselves? Yes. So I'm going to show you how to do a little sun-kissed bronzer look. I always travel with this. It's a powdered bronzer, and this one's Romanova makeup, and I have my double brush here because I want to travel as light as possible, and I will absolutely do a traveling video coming up, and I want to show you how I pack very lightly when it comes to makeup and skincare. When you travel, you don't want to be looking everything around, and that's why I absolutely love this palette. But we're gonna talk about that later. Right now, let's get back to bronzing. All right, we've got this brush. It's a nice fluffy brush, not too big, not too small, and I am going to gently tap into my bronzer. Now, when you get sun, you want to think about the difference. There is a difference between contouring and bronzing. Let's get that straight. Contouring, we're gonna save for a whole nother video, but for bronzer, we are gonna do it now. And I'm gonna basically think of where the sun hits my face. So it's on the top of my forehead, it's on the top of my cheeks, it's on my top of my nose, and it's on the top of my chin. That's really where we get sun. And I always like to come under here with bronzer or contouring, because this part is, as we age, this part gets less defined. Can I get an amen in here? And so I'm pretty much just gonna start on the hairline. This is also a really good trick when you're wanting to soften your hairline if you have your hair back. But this is going to go, I'm gonna swoosh it all. I like to use that word, swoosh. And I'm gonna swoosh it in here, down here. Just think of this kind of like a little mountain here. I'm gonna go over the nose and over the cheeks. Now, I already have all of my makeup on. And remember, what's the golden rule? Powder on top of powder, cream on top of cream, right? And so we wanna make sure that there's no, your skin isn't damp or creamy from any foundation that you just previously put on. So I like to do a light dusting of, setting powder, because if you don't, your bronzer is gonna get stuck where there's more moisture on your skin, and you don't want that because then it looks blotchy. So yeah, I'm swooping, and I kind of like the way it looks right now. And I'm gonna do a little bit on my chin here, and again, coming back up here until I just feel like, that's enough. And then after that, I go in with my blush, and I pop that out right here. Now, ladies, don't use your blush as a bronzer, because that's just gonna give you more of a redness look, and you don't want that. So there's your tip for bronzing for the day. Remember, you swoosh it where the sun hits, here, here, and here, and a little bit there. All right, have a great day. I'm about to board my flight soon, but I have to get some fresh air, get a little grounding in, and I will give you an update on how I stayed maybe I'll give you a little video when I'm on the airplane, because I want to show you how it touch up before I land. All right. Thank you so much, you guys. Click the link below for more of these amazing, fun beauty tips from your beauty expert here at Boom Baya. Bye. Until next time.